Hello guys, welcome back to the news. Guys, recently many people have totally broken to hear about an unfortunate demise of devoted person Rishi Nitya Pragya. Now the news of his unfortunate death has already shocked many people all over the world. As all of us know that he was touched the souls of many people by inspiring them with his lots of stories. In every event he makes everyone filled with devotion by sharing how an ordinary person gains spiritual wisdom and balanced living through dedication, devotion, and surrender. Now, his death has already broken several people. Along with this, he also launched a book celebrating life through which he marked a special place in the hearts of people who read his book. The book was published on 1st March 2021. Unfortunately, he has passed away at around 7:30 am. His family members and some other celebrities are very upset to hear about this tragic loss because he was actually very brightest and devotional personality. His lectures and stories always inspire people to take steps towards devotion and creates a new feeling among millions of people towards God and Hindu religion. There are lots of condolence messages and tributes appearing on the internet. So far, the main case of his death has not been revealed yet, but some sources claim that he passed away because of natural cases. Some authorized people and his close friends have not revealed any details yet, but we will update you soon. Now, many people continuously pray for his resting soul and give their heartfelt messages to Rishi Nitya Pragya, who gives lots of devotional stories to all the people all over the country. We also express our deep condolence to his family. May his soul rest in peace. For more latest update regarding this, then keep visiting our channel and do subscribe. Thank you so much guys.